Alright, let's pick our textures in Google Colab. Okay, let's quickly make some shaders. I'll add a UV sphere, shade smooth, go to shading, and I'll add a light, area light. Okay, now normal T, render mode. Okay, 100, and let's do scale it up. Alright, okay, now let's create a new material and go to add a noise texture, a color and a, I don't know, let's make a magic texture. I don't know, I didn't work with magic texture. Okay, do this, do this. Okay, linear, yes. Okay, let's add another one. Change the color. Okay, blue, nice. Okay, we have our texture. Okay, now save the project somewhere here. Okay, bake texture. Okay, so to bake texture we need to add a image texture and 1K is good. Name it textures and okay, just put it right here and that's enough. Okay, now you all know how to bake texture right here. Go to bake, here bake, you run cycles and diffuse, just color, and you're done. And you hit bake and bake. Okay, I close this. I don't want to bake this right here. Okay, if I add a image editor, select our texture, we see the baked texture. Okay, but this image is not saved. To bake textures on Google Colab, you need some scripts. Okay, let's go to the scripting tab. Let's hit new and bake textures. Okay, and text save as bake textures.py. Alright. Okay. Now write the script. First things first, import pby and we need to create a variable to store the name of our object that we want to bake the texture, and I call it obj text equal input enter the object name. Okay. For this. Okay. Now we need to deselect all of other objects, all of them. So to do that, we write for pigs in bpy dot data dot objects x dot select underline set false. Okay. Now we need to select our object that to bake texture. To do that, bpy dot context dot view the view layer dot objects dot active equals to bpy dot data dot objects and obj x. Okay. Now bpy dot data dot objects dot our object obj text dot select underline set true. Now we need to bake the texture. That's very easy. Just need to go to Bake tab and set all your settings and right click on the Bake button and copy Python command and control paste it here. That's it. So to make it better, just write print baking diffuse texture for, and now we obj text object. Okay, and class dot. Okay. So after baking is done, we need to save the image. So bpy no. Let's add a variable and put our file name in that. So file name img file name equals bpy dot path dot abs path now diffuse dash underline diffuse dash or whatever, or like this, texture dash diffuse dot png. Okay, now we need to save our file. img equals to bpy dot data dot images, and we put here our name of our texture, image editor. This is texture. That's texture. Name is texture. Okay, that's that. The texture. And now we need to save it. img dot save underline render. Where to save it? To our img file name. Okay, let me just copy this to make sure this matches. Okay. To make it more professional, print baking done, saving image to, and here plus img file name. Okay, we can test it right here to see it works. To take not so much time, I go to image tab and discard. I bring down the resolution very okay, to make it fast. First things first, save file, save our script, save. Okay. Toggle system console and hit run. Okay, here we need to enter the name of our object. Our object name is sphere. Okay, sphere and enter. Baking diffuse texture. Okay, baking done. Image saved. Okay, let's see. Open file location. This is our object, Python, and this is our texture. Look. Oh, come on. See, it's very low resolution. Okay. Now here and discard It's 2K. It's good. 2K. 2K. You can bring up it whatever you want, but 2K is good for this tutorial. Okay, now we need to upload our files to our Google Drive. Okay, upload your blend file. Just create a new notebook and okay, right. Just copy this code. All of the codes and commands are available. There will be a link in the description, so don't worry. Control V. This is just our render codes. Okay. Oh, there's something wrong. I need to go to this. Okay, sorry. Need to click move here. Okay. Let's see again. Control V. Control C. Control V. Okay. Runtime, change runtime type to GPU. You can do it on CPU, but GPU is faster. I don't know for Blender. Baking textures. I don't know. Okay. You know audio. Okay. I'll just run this one to install the Blender file. Okay, now upload the script. Okay, and nothing else. Delete use. Okay, and waiting. Okay, where is our file? Blender render 07. Okay, Blender render 07 slash bake texture dot blend, and the script file will be right here. Textures.py. Let's double check bake texture. Okay, I think are good. Let's connect our Google Drive. Okay, sign in. Okay. Mounted at dash G drive. Okay. Let's run this. Okay. Enter the name of object. Okay. What was it? The sphere. Okay. Enter. Baking diffuse texture baking done, and save right here. Okay. Oh, we baked it. We baked our textures on Google Colab. Let's download this. Okay. I think this is not that high resolution. So what's wrong here? So I think we need to upload our files again. Remove the bake texture, bake script. Okay. Ctrl S again and upload this and this again. Okay. It's gonna take a while. Textures. You can just put the sphere name here. It's no problem. And just to know, you can make normals. I never baked normals before. Okay, let's bake this one. Okay, object name is here. Enter. Okay, baking diffuse texture. Okay, it's taking longer. It's definitely taking longer. Okay. Let's wait. Okay. Taking diffuse texture. Okay. This is definitely 2K texture. Okay, just close this. And by the way, check out my games. There will be link in the description. Check out our website if you want to download free 3D assets, textures, whatever. Make sure to check that out, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and do all of these things. Okay. This is taking long. I never expect this. Oh, done. Okay, let's come back here. Okay, where's my texture? Where is my texture? Here. Which 1 megabyte. Download my texture. Okay. And this is pretty good. And if you do this and do this, okay, shading tab. If you do this, you'll see no difference, except that this is less quality and this is higher quality. This is vector. Okay, and thanks for watching. I hope you learned useful tips. Okay, goodbye.